Woke up feeling heavy, stiff, maybe even a little disconnected? In just 5 minutes, we're going to recharge your body, reset your energy, and realign your focus. Let's hit the mat. We're starting with a deep reset for your spine and hamstrings, because tension loves to hide here. Stand tall, then hinge forward from the hips. Let your arms dangle, your head relax completely. Keep a soft bend in your knees if needed. You're going to feel a long pull along your hamstrings and back. This first move drains overnight stiffness straight out of your muscles and into the floor. Beginners, hands on shins or thighs. Advanced stretches, grab opposite elbows and sway gently. Did you know that forward folds also calm your nervous system by lowering cortisol levels? Hold 5 more seconds. Sink a little deeper. Feel the stretch climbing up your legs yet? If not, bend your knees slightly and melt your chest closer to your thighs. That just resets your back. Now let's widen the base and open more. Now let's stretch into those hips, hamstrings, and inner thighs. Take a wide stance, hinge at your hips, and reach your right hand towards your left foot, then switch sides. Move slowly and steady. You're going to feel a big opening across your hamstrings, adductors, and lower back. I promise unlocking the hips here helps your entire lower body move freely throughout the day. Beginners, bend the knees more. Advanced stretches, keep legs straighter and move slower. Did you know that cross-body movements like this actually fire up your core too? Reach a little farther. 5 more seconds. Feel the shift side to side? If not, focus on keeping your spine long as you reach. That just opened your hips. Now it's time to build strength and flexibility. We're flowing strength and stretch together to wake up your full kinetic chain. Drop into a deep squat, hands under your toes. Then lift your hips high into a forward fold. Repeat slowly. You're going to feel a deep hip opening on the way down and a hamstring stretch on the way up. This move unlocks tight hips and strengthens your posterior chain, building better mobility with control. Beginners, hold the squat or only go halfway. Advanced stretches, keep the spine straight as you lift. Did you know that deep squats are a key predictor of long-term joint health? Last round, challenge yourself to hold the squat 5 more seconds. Feel the difference between the squat and the fold? If not, slow your breathing and deepen the movement. That just rebuilds your foundation. Now let's tune the hips with even more control. Let's get playful here and roll out any lost stiffness in your hips and lower back. Kneel on all fours, circle your hips slowly in one direction, then reverse. You're going to feel a gentle rolling stretch around the hips, spine, and even shoulders. I promise, circular movements unlock tightness that linear stretches can't reach. Beginners, make small, gentle circles. Advanced stretches, make the circles as big and juicy as possible. Your hips are designed to move in circles, not just straight lines. One bigger circle, 5 more seconds. Feel the corners of your hips waking up. If not, exaggerate the roll even more. That just primed your hips. Let's finish by opening the chest and breathing even deeper. Let's end by opening your shoulders and spine and heart. From hands and knees, walk your hands forward. Drop your chest toward the ground, hips high. Relax your forehead down if possible. You're going to feel a deep, freeing stretch across your shoulders, chest, and upper back. Expanding your front body frees up deeper breathing, better posture, and a more energized day. Beginners, rest forehead on the mat or a block. Advanced stretches, sink the chest lower without losing core engagement. Did you know that puppy stretch actually resets your diaphragm, making breathing more efficient? Sink 1 inch deeper, 5 more seconds. Feel your ribs expanding yet? If not, slow your breath and melt even more. That just opens your heart and spine. For tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints, it lives in your mind, it shows up in your habits. It drains your energy even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan, you need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that reconnect you to your body, scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog, a Bible-based nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends. If you've been running on empty, this is how you come back stronger. Tap the link in the description or pinned comment to start your free 3-day reset now, because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts.